BaccS can automatically assign numbers to created documents like translation jobs, invoices, translation assignments. In the application settings, you can define a number of parameters which affect numeration. In this video, I'll explain these parameters and general approach to numeration of documents in the system. Let's open list of jobs. By default, you can see two columns with numbers. First one, sequential, contains some number. It's a numeric field and you can sort by this column in any order, like that. You cannot enter any other symbols rather than numbers here. Second column, formatted number, represents a number in a user-defined form. You can simply add any number of leading zeros to align width of all numbers, or include some custom prefixes or postfixes here, or include year, months, day, number or name, or customer code here. It depends on numeration approach accepted in your company. Let's create a new job and see that new sequential number has been assigned to a new job. And in the second field, this number has been formatted into some text. As you can see, two leading zeros has been added to a sequential number. To set up this conversion, I will close the job. Let's open System Settings and switch to Application Settings tab, then find Numbering Group. First of all, you can select numeration type for jobs and invoices. It can be straightforward or client-based numeration. Client-based means that each client will get independent numeration chain. For example, you created first two invoices, each for different customer. When client-based numeration is used, both invoices will get number 1. In other case, for sequential numeration, second invoice will get number 2. The following three fields for invoice, job and assignment number format allow to specify rules to convert numeric value into a string value, as you saw in a previously created job. In a number format, we can use any symbols and a number of variables listed below, here. Variables must be included in curly brackets, like this. For faster number format creation, you can use small helper by clicking three dots in the field. Let me open a dialog for job number format, like this. In this dialog, you can enter some number format and see how it will be applied to some imaginary document. To add a prefix or postfix, I can just type some letters before or after our number variable. To add a new variable, as here, I have to put it into square brackets. In addition, each variable can also be formatted. For this, add semicolon after variable name, like here, and then type format string. This is useful only for numbers and dates, because third variable, called client code, is already a string variable. By default, D4 format string is applied to a number variable. From this example here, you can understand that this means minimum length for a number, with addition of leading zeros when needed. So if I will change D4 to D5, you will see that number get converted into a string by adding 3 additional zeros. Dates can be formatted differently. Let's add a date variable before our number variable, like this. You can see that date has been added as a full date to our formatted number, with adding of minutes, hours and time part, like this. So I have to somehow format this date variable by adding semicolon and typing something. You can find out how to format date variables by simply searching in any search engine like Google, because BaccS uses generally accepted formatting approaches. So I can type some Y letters to get short year or full year number. I can type capitalized M to get month number in the short form, or 3M to get short month name, or form M to get full month name. The same with days. 2D means day number, 3D means short day name, and 4D means full day name, like this. So let's leave only only year and apply our format by clicking OK. I have changed number format, but as you saw, we already have a number of jobs with numbers generated using previously used format string. I can apply new format to all existing jobs after changing it. So I have to save changes in the application settings and click arrow button inside this field, apply to all documents. Then I switch back to translation jobs and see that all jobs got new numbers in a new format. Let's go back to settings and switch to Invoice Settings tab. This tab contains few another fields which affect on numeration of invoices. First one, numbering reset date, allows you to set a date from which all numeration sequences will be reset for invoices. Reset numbering each month and each year fields allow to start new numeration sequences each month or each year respectively. In the Job Settings tab, we also have Reset Numbering Each Year checkbox, which allows us to start new numeration sequence each year for translation jobs. So that's all needed to know about numeration of documents in BaccS. Thank you for watching.